Add a touch of zen to your home or office with the tabletop fountain rotating ball rock waterfall from AMOOTEK. Made from sturdy resin, it's non-toxic, lightweight, and durable. At 9.05 by 7.08 by 10.63 inches, it's the ideal size for any space. Installs easily with no additional piping. Simply add water, plug it in, and enjoy. The built-in water pump circulates water, creating a soothing sound. The colorful lights and spinning crystal ball create a calming ambience. Perfect for relieving stress and creating a natural sound experience. An excellent gift for any parent or friend. With over 326 reviews and a 4.4 star rating, customers love it. Get the AMOOTEK Tabletop Fountain for just $29. In stock now. Order yours today.